Hello there everyone, welcome back to our channel again. In today's quick video, you are going to see how to upload images in Canva. So it's a pretty quick and easy method that you can follow. So to do that, let's head over to the steps that you can follow to do it. For Canva Mobile, from the toolbar at the bottom of the editor app, go to Uploads, tap the Upload Files and select the file that you want to upload. If it's your first time, you may be asked to give Canva access to your gallery. To use your upload in your design tab, it from the Uploads tab. To find all of the uploads, select the projects from the home screen and on the owner drop-down. Select your name to view your projects or any owner to view all projects. Then select the Uploads folder where you can also download or delete them. And for the desktop settings, go to the editor side panel and select the Uploads tab. Click Upload Files and select the files that you want to upload. You can also drag them from your computer folder to Uploads tab. To use your upload in your design, click it on the side panel. To find all your uploads, select the projects from the home page side panel. And on the owner drop-down, select your name to view your projects or any owner to view all the projects. And then select the Uploads folder, or you can also download or delete them. So yeah, this is the ways with which you can just upload your images in Canva. Hope this video will help you out, and we'll see you in the next video.